Hey everyone. So, in this lesson of Learn Jamaican with your translator Janice, we're going to be asking a question. I know, like myself, sometimes you see people staring at you and you're, even if you don't say it out loud, you're like, why is she staring, or why is he staring at me? So for this episode, we're going to do ask a question, or whether it's to ourselves or to someone else. We're going to be asking, why are you looking at me? Yeah, so why are you looking at me? Why are you looking at me? For those who love to stare, well, why are you looking at me? So why are you looking at me translates back into Jamaican patois as where y'all look palm if why are you looking at me? Where y'all look palm if where y'all look palm if why are you looking at me? Where y'all look palm if where y'all look palm if why are you looking at me? So it's where for the why, you look palm me fa. Where you are look palm me fa. Where y'all look palm me fa? Why are you looking at me? 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 Where you are look palm me fa. Where y'all look palm me fa. As I said, where, why, you, are you, look, no, technically we say where for why, are, it's like are you is you, so where you are look palm me fa. Why are you looking at me? Where, why, are you, but we still put a or a where you are. Looking, look at me, we say palm me, but we also state fa as in for. Or we could say, why are you looking at me for? But it wouldn't be like that. It would be, what are you looking at me for? But why are you looking at me? Where y'all look palm me fa? We always put after the me, we say for, which is fa. Where y'all look palm me fa? Where y'all look palm me fa? So why are you looking at me? Where you are look palm me fa. Where y'all look palm me fa. That's the lesson. So when you see them staring, where y'all look palm me fa? Awa. Sometimes we'll say, like, awa, how would it translate back to American? Okay, awa. No, awa would simply be saying, what is it? Like, what is it? Why are you looking at me? We would say, awa, where y'all look palm? Awa, where y'all look palm me fa? What is it? Why are you looking at me? Awa, where y'all look palm me fa? Where you are look palm me fa. As always, the written translation is in the description, and see you next time. Peace out. Bye.